Welcome back to my channel. Today topic is electoral bond. Electoral bond were made funding and political party in India from the introduction of 2017 till they were struck down the unconstitutional by the Supreme Court of 15 February 2024 following the termination. 5 judge benches headed by the Chief Justice directed by State Bank of India to hand over the ID and other details of donor to reception. Election Commission of India, which was the term asked to publish them to website. The scheme was introduced Finance Bill 2017 during the Union Budget 2017 to 18 by the Finance Minister Arun Jaitley. They were classified in the money bill. Those that bypassed certain parliamentary scrutiny process in the way aligned to the violation of Article 110 Indian Constitution. Mr. Jaitley also proposed amendment of Reserve Bank of India Act in order to facilitate issuance of electoral bond bank under purpose of political funding. Although introduced in the year 2017, Department of Economic Affairs, Ministry of Finance notified the electoral bonds gazetted only 2 January 2018. According to estimate, total 18,200 electoral bond equivalent to the monetary value of 9,857 crore were successfully transacted during the period spanning from March 18 to April 2022. On 7 November 2022, electoral bond scheme was amendment increasing sale day from 17 to 85. The year of the assembly election may be scheduled decision of electoral bond amendment scheme 2022. It taken shortly period to assembly election under Gujarat and Himachal Pradesh while model code of conduct was implemented in both states ahead of 2019 general election of Congress announced the intention to eliminate electoral bond if the party elected to the power of Communist Party India also opposes scheme and wholesale of the national and party refused donation through the electoral bond. 15 February 2024, 5 judge benches at the Supreme Court of India headed by the Chief Justice of Chandrachud unanimously struck down the electoral bond scheme will be amendment to the Representation of People Act, Companies and the Income Tax Act and unconstitutional. They fund the violated RTA, right to information and voucher of right to information about political funding under Article 19(1)(a) Constitution. They also pointed out the would be lead to the arrangement between the corporation politician and State Bank of India was asked to the hand over the detailed donor and reception of Election Commission of India March 6 and ECI was to publish this online in March 13 and however the SPA failed to submit the detailed March 6 and approaches Supreme Court asking more than the court turned down the request following which was the detail were turned over to ECI. Bubble is type of instrument that function like the note of the interest free banking tool. The any Indian citizen organization registered Indian can be buy this bond after fulfilling KYC norm laid down the RBI. It can be procured by the donors only through the means check and digital payment various denominations such as 1,000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh and 1 crore from the specific branch of State Bank of India. Within the span 15 days issued on the electoral bond can be redeemed the designed by account by illegal registered political party under the Representation of People Act 1951 29A which got at least 1% of water will be available purchased 10 days in the month of January, April, July and October within the addition time frame 30 days year under general election of Lok Sabha. Electoral bond future anonymity under since the bear to no identification donor political party which is issued by event of the 15-day deadline and not made the either under donor nor be receiving political party receive refund issued by electoral bond rather than the fund value and the electoral bond is re-imputed under Prime Minister of Relief Fund. Enforcing denomination of amount exceeding 2,000 via banking system would mean the declaration asset under political party also enabled the traceability. It was argued by Government of India and reform the electoral bond expected enhance transparency and accountability of the real and political funding while also preventing creation of illegal fund and future generation. Investigation connected by the Election Commission of India Income Tax Department has revealed that the Public Fund and Management Public Work Department PW other government entity are being the illicit of dividend and reintroduced into the political sphere addressing issue of black money electoral process and Arun Jaitley said according to available report and time of the substantial sum of 1,500 crore has been confiscated direct outcome and proactive measure implemented by the Election Commission of Revenue. Known sources including the not limited to bank interest, membership fee, party levy, sale asset and sale publication and voluntary donation of exceeding 20,000 unknown resource contribution from the the meeting electoral bond, miscellaneous income, relief fund, sale of coupon, voluntary contribution less than 20,000. 28 January 2017, Finance Minister correspond Reserve Bank of India, RBI showed comment and proposed the amendment in Finance Bill 2017. Necessary amendment RBI Act was realized next day, 3rd January 2017. RBI replied representing severe apprehension conducting into electoral bond scheme was successful and illicit financial activity, lack of transparency and possible exploitation. HuffPost India reported the government of overlooked by RBI concern went ahead with the announcement during the budget session Parliament of 1 February 17. Impact existing regulation. The monetary contribution limit the any registered political party in India. Monetary contribution limit any registered political party it can be received from the individual has been restricted 2,000 representing the reduction of 10% of previous threshold 20,000. It was done through the Financial Act 2017. Introduction of electoral bond effectively abolished stealing contribution made by corruption and which is the earlier limited 7.5% organization average net hearing and over preceding 3-year period amendment Companies Act 13 ensued changes. Scheme resulted elimination mandatory obligation individual to or corporation to provide comprehensive information regarding to the political contribution instead of reporting comprehensive breakdown under political donation. Within annual financial report, company would be solely required disclose and consolidate sum of purchase under electoral bond relevant of prevention under the Income Tax Act 1961 were amended in the Legal Foreign Contribution Regulation Act FCRA was amendment government within support of opposition. Broadband definition of the foreign entity explicitly aim expanding scope and would be lawful make political contribution. Critics argued with the change of the would be allow any person corporation interest group now anonymously donate the unrestricted amount of fund to the any political party under the no citizen journalist. First tranches 2018 postponed from the January 2018 and commencing 1 March 2018. First tranches electoral bond were made available purchase over the span of the 10 days. State Bank of India used and encashed these electoral bond for under branches of Chennai, Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai. Analysis of political party audit account and the contribution statement for the fiscal year 17 to 18 ending on 31 March which were duly submitted to the both of Income Tax Department and Election Commission of India revealed BJP obtained electoral bond amounting 215 crore and where this the Congress party received the 5 crore rupees. Noteworthy and no other registered political party, national, regional and reported receiving any form of the contribution through the electoral bond. Third phase of the electoral bond sale was scheduled to purchase and from 1 May to 10 May 11 and SBI branches Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai and New Delhi along with designed branches of Assam, Gujarat, Haryana, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh. An application under the Right to Information RT Act was information on cumulative number of donor and aggregate the quantity of electoral bonds sold by each authorities and branches during the month of March and April among the relevant particular and Central Public Information Officer CPIO declared the application June 2018 citing the complaints and such as data would be result disappropriate and diversion of the bank of resource but gave only the denomination which is figure of sale all such as bond through the design the branches which did not match with the information providing another application. However, applied authority FAA in July 2018 acknowledged the blunder that previously given electoral bond sale data 10 bond 1 lakh denomination, 38 bond 10 lakh denomination, 9 bonds 1 crore denomination totaling the 12.93 crore for the Gandhinagar branches was in fact belonged to the Bangalore branches. State Bank of India RTA applicant regretted that the claim transparency made by the government. Under 2019 RTA respond SBI to query Vigar Duru and has shown that 2019 sale electoral bond 2 tranches January March into 11 and SBI branches period to Lok Sabha election may has experienced significant surge of 1,716.05 crore figure representing notably increase 62.39% comparison to the total sale are rupees 1,506.73 crore achievement through the 6 tranches conducted the March, April, May, July, October and November 2022. From July 1st to July 10, SBI conducted 21st phase of the electoral bond sale 2023. From 19 January to and 28 January 25th electoral bond sale was carried out. The 26th 26th phase of the sale worth 970.50 crore was conducted by from 3 April to 12 April against Karnataka Assembly election on 10 May 2023. Based on data obtaining through the Right to Information RTI, retained for the 26th edition bond sale conducted by the State Bank of India SBI, it has been revealed that total 1,470 bonds were sold. Among these, 923 bonds, according to for 95.1% total were denomination of 1 crore. Additionally, SBI sold 468 bonds valued 1 lakh each and 69 bonds valued 1 lakh each and 10 bonds valued 10,000 each. Highest sale bond and accounting 335.30 crore rupees. Hyderabad branch followed by Kolkata 197.40 crore and Mumbai branch with a sale of 169.37 crore. The Chennai branch recorded sale bond of from worth 122 crore rupees and Bangalore branch sold bond worth of 46 crore rupees. Term of bond encashed. New Delhi branches saw redemption and bond valued by 565.79 crore. Subsequently, Kolkata branch redeemed bond with 186.95 crore. 27th edition bond sale was held by between 3 July and 12 July, which is a 137,371 transaction worth of 812.80 crore. Hyderabad branches achieved the highest sale bond amounting 266.72 crore, followed by Kolkata branch with a sale of 143.20 crore. Mumbai 135 crore rupees. Bangalore branch record sale bond of worth 46 crore. Term of bond encashed. Bhubaneswar branch saw highest redemption electoral bond valued by 155.5 crore. Subsequently, New Delhi branch